Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about the 27-inch smart monitor combined with Android device and high quality reflection. So friend, Mirart Inc officially unveils the 27-inch smart monitor, a product that integrated both the functionality of a mirror an Android device, and this smart mirror stand out by combining the benefit of high quality mirror with the versatile of Android platform, and this mark an important step in overcoming the previous issue found in earlier model of similar product and offering a solution that balance cost and performance. And the 27 monitor mirror feature a 9020 into 1080p resolution ensuring sharp image quality, and the mirror support multi-touch input with 10-point touch feature for smooth and responsive interaction. It has a brightness of 200 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 4001 and covers 68% of NTSC color gamut, and the Android 13 operating system and the device providing access to range of applications. The smart monitor include 4 GB of VRAM, and the smart monitor include 4 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, and two built-in speaker with 4-watt output. In terms of connectivity, the mirror offer a variety of connectivity including 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, as well as multiple ports such as one USB 3.0, 2.0, and USB Type-C port. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.